Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vena Melani. I'm from Islamic Education 2F. I was born in Tobali, Bangka Selatan. I'm 19 years old. I will describe the 16 tense. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vena Melani. I'm from Islamic Education 2F. I was born in Tobali, Bangka Selatan. I'm 19 years old. I will describe the 16 tense. The first is simple present tense. Simple present tense adalah tense yang digunakan ketika suatu kejadian sedang berlangsung saat ini atau kejadian yang berlangsung berulang kali. The formula is subject plus verb 1 is or am or are plus object. They watch new movie every Sunday. For positive. Subject plus don't or does not plus verb 1 plus object. For negative, they don't watch new movie every Sunday. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For interrogative, do they watch a new movie every Sunday? Second is present continuous tense, merupakan bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa suatu aksi sedang berlangsung. The formula is subject plus to be, is or am or are plus verb ing plus object. For positive, she is sleeping right now. Subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. For negative, she is not sleeping right now. To be plus subject plus verb ing plus object. She is sleeping right now. Next, present perfect tense adalah tense yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi di masa lalu namun masih berlanjut sampai masa sekarang. The formula is Ayu Dewi plus have plus verb 3 or he she it plus has plus verb 3. For positive, they have lived in Jakarta for a long time. Ayu Dewi plus have plus not plus verb 3 or he she it plus he plus has plus not plus verb 3. He has not learned English for 1 year. For negative, have plus Ayu Dewi plus verb 3 or has plus he she it plus verb 3. Have they lived in Jakarta for a long time? Next, perfect continuous tense. Suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aksi yang telah selesai pada suatu titik di masa lalu namun masih berlanjut sampai masa sekarang. The formula is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. For positive, she has been driving. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing. For negative, she has not been driving. Have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. For interrogative, has she been driving? Next, simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah kalimat tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian yang telah terjadi di masa lampau namun juga sudah selesai pada masa lampau, jadi tidak berlangsung ke masa sekarang. The formula is subject plus verb 2 plus object or subject plus to be, was or were plus adjective. For positive, we tense the participle last week. Subject plus did not plus verb 2 plus object. For negative, subject plus was or were plus not plus adjective. For negative, she was not absent yesterday. Did plus subject plus verb 2 plus object. For infinitive, did they attend the festival last week? Next, past continuous tense adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa suatu aksi sedang berlangsung selama waktu tertentu pada waktu lampau. The formula is subject plus be, was or were plus verb ing. For positive, she was waiting for you yesterday. Subject plus be, was or were not plus verb ing. For negative, she was not waiting for you yesterday. Be, was or were plus subject plus verb ing. For interrogative, Was she waiting for you yesterday? Next, past perfect tense adalah suatu tense yang menggambarkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi sebelum satu spesifik waktu di masa lampau dan telah selesai sebelum kejadian lain yang terjadi di masa lampau juga. The formula is subject plus had plus verb 3 for positive. They had studied. Subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 for negative. They had not studied. Interrogatifnya had plus subject plus verb 3, had they studied. Next, past perfect continuous tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan suatu aksi dengan durasi waktu tertentu telah selesai pada suatu titik di mana waktu tertentu itu di masa lalu. The formula is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing for positive. Dia had been walking. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing for negative. Dia had not been walking. Had plus subject plus been plus verb ing for interrogative. Had Leah been walking? Had Leah been walking? Simple future tense adalah bentuk kalimat untuk mengungkapkan kepada tindakan atau peristiwa yang belum dimulai, digunakan, dan akan terjadi di masa depan. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. Subject plus be plus going to plus verb 1 plus object for positive. I will left it. I'm going to left it. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Subject plus be plus not plus going to plus verb 1 plus object for negative. I will not leave it. I'm going to leave it. Will plus subject plus verb 1. Be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus object for interrogative. Will I leave it? I'm going to leave it. Next, future continuous tense. Future continuous tense berfungsi untuk menunjukkan bahwa suatu kejadian akan terjadi di masa depan dan terus berlanjut untuk beberapa waktu. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb ing plus complement. For positive, I will be staying with my sister for a week. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus verb ing plus complement. For negative, I will not be staying with my sister for a week. Will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. For interrogative, will I be sleeping in this room? Future perfect continuous tense yang berfungsi untuk mengungkapkan bahwa suatu tindakan akan sudah berlangsung setelah sekian lama pada titik waktu tertentu di masa depan. For the last couple of hours, all day long. The formula is subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Example, he will have been taking charge of the team for the next hours. For positive, he will not have been doing the tasks for the last couple of hours. For negative, will he have been doing the research all day long? For interrogative. Next, simple past future tense yang digunakan untuk kalimat yang tidak langsung, di mana di situ terdapat perubahan bentuk untuk menyesuaikan dengan rangkaian peristiwa yang ada. The formula is subject plus would plus verb 1, subject plus was or were plus going to plus verb. Example, he said that he will leave in 3 days. For positive, he did not promise that we will buy you a new computer. For negative, did you tell him when I will arrive? For interrogative. Next, past future continuous tense merupakan tense yang menyatakan situasi ataupun tindakan imajiner yang sedang berlangsung apabila kondisi tidak langsungnya terpenuhi. The formula is subject plus soul or would plus be plus verb ing. Example, I made a promise that I will be doing my homework all day long tomorrow. For positive, I did not tell anyone that I will be giving a speech to undergraduates for the next whole morning. For negative, did you say that will be hard working head in the next week? For interrogative. Past future perfect tense yang bisa digunakan untuk membicarakan suatu tindakan yang tidak terjadi di masa lalu. The formula is subject plus soul of call of would have plus verb 3. Example, he told the student that they should have finished the homework this morning. For positive, he said that he would not have made such a mistake if he had taken my advice. For negative, did you say that you will have been a doctor in 3 years? For interrogative. Dan past future perfect continuous tense, tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah tindakan atau situasi imajiner sedang berlangsung pada titik tertentu atau selama periode tertentu di masa lampau. The formula is subject plus should, or could, or would, have plus been plus verb ing. Example, I heard that you should have been teaching her for 10 years by this July. For positive, I did not know that he would have been working for the past 3 years by that time. For negative, will he have been explaining to the works if he had made the information clear? For interrogative. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.